Hey, what's up, guys? This is Amin, and you're watching your favorite YouTube channel, Make Money with Amin. Today, I want to talk about backlink. Yes, today I want to talk about blog comment backlinks. So, after watching this video, you can easily provide backlink service for your clients, and if you want, you can use for your website. So, this tutorial is very important. Let's get started. Okay, so first of all, we want to search here our one of the best marketplace, Fiverr, and I want to see how many peoples are what kinds of seller selling these kinds of backlinks, like a blog comment backlink, blog comment backlinks. Okay, so I want to hit enter. People selling these kinds of service, and I want to check how many order they have, or how much they earn from these kinds of service. Okay, so I want to open this one. Also, I want to open this one, and I want to check it out. So this is 1 gig. I will do exclusive 500 unique domain blog comments backlinks link building. So he already done 1500 plus service. So and his package is basic package is 10 for the 300 blog comment, and also the 45 for the 500 backlinks. I think they are doing good, and I want to check other seller like this one, and she done already 91 service. So lots of people selling these kinds of service. So after watching this video, you can easily sell these kinds of service, blog comment service, backlink service. So, and after that, you can easily earn money from Fiverr. Also, if you want, you can use these kinds of backlinks for your website or blog. Okay, so now I want to explain how can we do blog comment backlink. So this is very easy, I think. So first of all, I want to go our browser Chrome, and I want to write here comment love. So this one with the quotation comment love. Okay, so here it is, comment love. I want to copy it for better understanding. So I want to paste it here, this one. Okay, comment love and then quotation, and after that, suppose you are looking for your niche related website, like you have a niche that's covered with pet foods. Okay, so you want to get backlink, blog comment backlink with your niche like pet foods. Okay, so I want to put here the quotation again, pet foods. Okay, and in the quotations, and you just copy this one and go to Google and paste it and just hit enter, and you will get lots of website. Okay, so when you will do these kinds of things, if you can easily change the niche like pet foods. Also, if you want fashions or anything you want, like when you want to work with some clients, they will give you the keywords niche, no problem at all. Okay, so you can easily do it. So now I am just doing for this website like marketing agency, best marketing BD. So I want to just put here comment love with the keywords digital marketing, and then hit enter. After that, you will see these kinds of interface, like lots of website you show with your keywords or niche. So I want to open few website here, also this one. Okay, so here it is. You will just scroll below, and you will see the area for the comment. Okay, so how can we put our backlink, and how can I do our backlink here? No problem, I'm just doing these kinds of things. So after watching this, you can easily do comment backlink. Okay, so here it is, here is the area for the comment, and also you see the you will see the area for the name, email and website. So when you will work with for some clients like your from your Fiverr or React client, that's time just tell your clients, please send me your uh, website. So after that you will easily find out the keywords. Also you can ask ask your clients, please send me your keywords, or what is your keywords or niche. So this is very simple, I think. And just open your notepad and just write the comment. If you want, you can do with GPT, no problem at all. So this is very easy, I think. If you want, you can write another or more details, but don't do spam or like spamming. Just write as usual. So after that, the website owner approve your comment and you will get the backlink. Okay, so this is very easy. So I want to put here the uh, comment, copy, then I want to paste here, and I want to put my name, like my nickname is Shaun. Okay, so here I want to put email. So you can put your own email, no problem at all, because there is no verifications. So I want to put email. Also I want to put my client website, so this one. Okay, for the first time you should arrange all the things. So I want to put here, and after that you will easily do lots of backlinks. Just copy and paste step by step. So client wants 50 or 100 backlinks, so no problem, you just open all the website with this system, like comment left quotation with your niche, and then you will just open all the website and just put the comments. You should create or write 3 or 4 comments, because don't put the same comments again and again. I think this is not good. So you can write 3 or 4 comments for the 100 or 200 comment backlinks. So after that you can easily do it. So I want to put the website, I want to copy here, and I want to put the first website here. Okay, that's good. So here is some mistakes. Okay, no problem. You should write with the perfect grammar. So now how can you deliver the service, comment backlink service? This is very easy. Just open your Excel or Google Sheet. I want to open the Google Sheet. Okay, here is the Google Sheet. I want to name it blog comment backlinks. So I want to put the first, I want to give the 2 or 3 row, because I want to put the headline before starting. Okay, no problem. Just I want to put here the website name. Okay, then keywords, then the simple things, your submitted link. Okay, so submitted link. Okay, that's good, I think. And to just change the color for the better presentation. Okay, no problem. I think you can easily do this kinds of thing. I'm just that will be good. And I want to select the position middle, and that's nice, I think. And I want to change the color. Okay, yes. So this is the sheet. When you will send or provide your service, you should make these kinds of sheet. That will be great, I think. So I want to put here the website name. The client website name is this one. And to copy and paste here, and I want to just drag and just make it for the 50 or 100. Okay, this one. Awesome. Now the keyword is, and to copy from here. Okay, so digital marketing, copy and paste here. Okay, and I want to just copy and for the same thing this area. Okay, so that's good. Now put your submitted link where you will get, just go to your first website that you are doing or that you have done, and this one. Okay, I want to just, okay, I want to just hit the comment button. Sometimes you will get some captcha, so you should solve, and after that you will see the comment option, and just click here and you will get these kinds of submitted link, and just copy and paste it here. Okay, helpful for you. If you think this video is very helpful, please subscribe and please share this video with your friends. Thank you and take care. Bye.